President Donald J. Trump has made true on his promise to declassify the files of JFK, MLK, and RFK. All of the cases them are going to be wide open so everyone could see. Now we all know already what they're going to do. They're going to redact, or they're going to mark out, cross out certain names. But I man know, it's no fame to the game, that the CIA, the FBI, and the United States government plotted to take out these three superheroes of our time. And I'm sure many is going to say it's not true. But we know that Jesse Jackson and Reverend Lewis and other melanated, I would say black people, were in on the plot. Al Sharpton eat the most food off of that. We know that JFK was trying to stop the war, in Vietnam, and was trying to expose APAC. Those Ish people rise again. And we know that he was working with the mob, and he so-called betrayed the mob. And we know that RFK was going after the mob that his brother so-called betrayed. So we're hoping that we get some clarity or some admittance, because a lot of those people have passed away, including George Bush Sr., who was on spot, who was in the CIA at the time. A lot of people don't know that. Later became head of the FBI. So I hope that the people them understand that when the truth is revealed, don't close your eyes. Don't act like you don't see. Because a lot of the times, the truth has been revealed right in front of you and me. The best place to hide the truth, ladies and gentlemen, is in front of our face. Because as Europeans use other burnt face to replace those who have a case to fight for our rights, and put tokens, puppets in place, like Jesse Jackson, like Al Sharpton, like Oprah Winfrey. I listened to a speech of a Spelman grad, this young woman, beautiful long locks. She stated, blackface in high place won't save us. A more life and more joy. Hope the truth is revealed and conceived and admitted, so we can now purge our lying eyes and purged our lying minds. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. President Donald Trump has kept his promise and has signed executive orders to declassify the JFK, MLK, and the RFK files. What will we find? Leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. I'm more life, I'm more joy, and I'm more happiness.
Ali, I am bring me in a driver,
Up all the while, big up Deep Roots TV straight, say Ali Abdallah. Everyone don't know already, big teacher from Herbert Marcy, William Nip, straight. Big up Deep Roots TV, all the way, straight, Rastafari Rastafari Soldier.
Big, give thanks, one love, my brother. Man.